It's a new week. All right. My plan for the week, which is something that I came up with over the weekend, you kind of want to have like, a game plan of what you want to see before you go into the markets. Um, First off, let me just say, check out the amount of liquidity that we have in this weekly level, right? So to me, I'm definitely looking for a bullish transition because, this is still very much higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. You have a higher low, you have a higher high, 100% retracement. You have a high, a higher low, another high. I think this will be, but you know what I mean? Because the higher lows are being maintained right now. So this is what I think is going to happen. So we're back in this area. Remember how price reacted last time we were here? It dipped in here, broke resistance on the 4-hour right here. And then continued bullish, right? But it couldn't break this level, so I had to come down here, get some liquidity and try again. On Friday, we actually broke resistance again, as you can see right here. We do have 2 bullish candle closes above this level. All right, so I'm definitely, my bias is bullish for the week. Let me go ahead and redraw that back on there. All this low resistance over right here. All right. Median of the wicks. All right, so this is my low resistance level. All I'm looking for is just, bullish transition. And what that is just looking for highs to start breaking on the lower time frames. I like to use a 15-minute. And when I go on the 15-minute, I can already see that like we've already started some sort of break, which I really appreciate. So I think then, because we have this break, and even if you do EMA, you can see the cross. Let's see if you see on a 30-minute. It looks really good on the 30-minute also. So I'm like, all right, cool. I'm definitely going to be probably taking buys today after some sort of engulfing. Let me see if there's like a nice support level that I can depend on. Let's see, look to the left. I see something right here. All right, I see something, I see this. Let me see if I can find something else. Maybe down here. This is an option too. Right, so I'm just looking for possible levels that price could reverse from. Like this is already a weekly area, so I don't expect like the deepest of all deep pullbacks. But just something cute, like an engulfing here or an engulfing here. I'll definitely be in a trade. So after that, my take profit. What I'm looking as a take profit, I will take my back. I need someone to just like step on my back. Point A from the low to the high. Keep it right here, 38.2. You can even adjust it. Let's see what we're looking at. Right here. That would be my target. So my trade for the week would be looking something like, depending on how this closes and whatnot, like that. Something simple. So I was back testing and doing like trading week by week and realizing that, most of the moves, if price is trending, it happens on a Monday or Tuesday. But sometimes, if you're gonna come to a weekly level and there's some type of reversal, sometimes the reversal can even begin on somewhere from Wednesday to Friday. So yeah. All right, so now it's 3 o'clock and we're at a relative low. So I'm pretty sure price can, pop up today, which is cool. So I don't know if I'm going to be trading gold this week, but I wanted to point out, it's going to kind of be the same concept. Okay, so let's look at it from here. Like, look how that weekly candle closed. Oh no, it could probably retrace some. It could retrace some. It definitely could, just because of how that weekly candle is looking. But aside from that, This is my 0%. This is my 100% up here. It could definitely come in here. And if it does, watching for a bullish transition would be like the only thing I'd be looking for. And I see that, you know, it could also reverse from where it's at right now. So when I go into the smaller time frames, it's like we have this resistance level that it didn't break past, right? But what I'm seeing is I also see this level here that price definitely broke, you know? So I would say that is a bullish transition though. I mean, blues over the red, we had a break over resistance, but maybe, I don't think I'm going to be trading gold today just because, let's see, you can track it. It does look good. I'm not gonna lie, it does look good for some buys soon, but you know, you can always be more patient. But my focus for the week is bullish transitions on GJ. If today's the day it happens, I'll just let it run to the take profit and then we'll be all good. Yeah.